Are roller coasters actually safe? A question that has rattled our minds every time we strap into that seat. We've all been there, haven't we? The nervous anticipation, the adrenaline rush, the fleeting doubt about safety. But did you know? These thrilling rides are not just products of imagination, but designed by highly skilled engineers. They use advanced physics and engineering principles to ensure your safety while keeping the thrill intact. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of roller coaster engineering and physics to answer this question. Ever wondered who designs these gravity-defying structures? Well, meet the engineers. They're the brainiacs behind the twists, turns, and towering heights of roller coasters. But they're not just crafting thrills, they're also ensuring safety. Each roller coaster is a testament to the brilliance of engineering. From the initial blueprint to the final towering structure, every aspect is meticulously planned and executed. Engineers pore over mathematical models, considering factors like speed, gravity, and centrifugal force to create a ride that's not only exhilarating but also safe. But it's not all about the math. Material strength and structural integrity play a crucial part too. Engineers select materials that can withstand the forces exerted by the coaster and its passengers. They also ensure that the structure is robust enough to endure variable weather conditions. Each roller coaster design must pass rigorous safety checks and meet stringent standards. These checks include stress tests, safety inspections, and even simulations to ensure that the ride can operate safely under various scenarios. Engineers also incorporate safety features into the design. From the restraint systems that keep riders securely in their seats, to the braking systems that bring the coaster to a safe and controlled stop, every element is designed with safety in mind. So the next time you see a roller coaster, remember it's not just a ride, it's a marvel of engineering. How about the thrilling drops and loops? Well, that's where the physics comes into play. You see, roller coasters are a grand demonstration of fundamental physics principles. Take gravity, for instance. It's the force that pulls your coaster car down those steep descents, providing that stomach-lurching feeling we all know and love. Next up is inertia, the principle that an object in motion tends to stay in motion. As your coaster car hurtles around, bends, and through loops, inertia keeps you safely in your seat. Even when you feel like you're defying gravity, you're actually held in place by this invisible force. Lastly, let's not forget about centrifugal force. This is the force that pushes you against the side of the coaster during those high-speed turns, adding to the thrill of the ride. So, roller coasters are not just about thrill, but a beautiful dance of physics principles ensuring your safety. So, are roller coasters safe? Let's summarize. We've delved into the world of roller coasters, the engineering marvels that they are, and the safety measures that are deeply ingrained in their design and operation. Each roller coaster is a testament to the expertise and dedication of highly skilled engineers who use advanced physics and engineering principles to create these thrilling experiences. They design these rides to withstand forces far beyond what they'll encounter in operation. They calculate every twist, every turn, every breathtaking drop with precision, ensuring the safety of riders. Moreover, these coasters undergo rigorous safety checks, meeting strict safety standards before they're open to the public. Regular maintenance and inspections are conducted, ensuring that each ride is as safe as it can possibly be. The answer to our question is yes, roller coasters are indeed safe. They are a testament to human ingenuity and the fascinating world of physics and engineering.